So the products that you're gonna need some antibacterial soap, and then of course you're gonna need sea salt. I got mine inside one of these little things right here. The wrapping came off of it. And you're gonna need some triple antibiotic ointment, and of course Q-tips. So some antibacterial soap. Wet the Q-tip. I'm gonna push it up a little bit and clean around it. Get all the crust out, yellow crust. Easier to put it on this. I mean, inside a cup to keep from using too much Q-tips. So just let that sit on there. I think I need some more water. Make sure you do warm water. It kind of stops the swelling too, so yep. Don't need it much. Okay, so let it sit now. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. So while we just letting this sit for a couple of more minutes, we're gonna dry it off, and then we're gonna be using the triple antibiotic ointment. And after that we're done, and we're gonna discuss my pain tolerance and everything of how bad it hurt between. Ladies, if you have swelling like me, use a warm compress like every day, and then go down, and then kind of drain all the pus out. And it's an elephant, guys. My favorite color blue, so I got something that makes up between, which is the color. And I thought the elephant was simple and cute. To show y'all my other jewelry, and though it's not on the same side of the Q-tip for you guys to be seeing something, it's on the other clean side, so use a part of that much. Well, flip it the other way. I'll lay it on the side a little bit. So far as my pain tolerance or whatever, let me turn my light up a little bit more. A little bit more light. Okay. But anyway, so far as my pain tolerance, I rate this pain this time as number 6 to 7. And the reason why, because like how fast you did it, but you're supposed to, because the slower you do it, the more it's gonna hurt. So it's basically been doing okay. I already about know how to do it, of course, because I had my piercing before. So you just take care of your piercing every day. Just make sure you cleanse and wash your hands and all that. And I promise you, you'll be okay. And remember that it takes 6 to 12 months. So I make sure I keep you guys updated of what it's looking like. And I'll show you some videos of me changing out my jewels or whatever when it's time to change it. So if you guys want to see any more videos or whatever, please drop your comments below and let me know. Let the queen know, period. I'm down for anything. I'm dropping content from left to right. I always said I was, but I'm doing it now, period. So please, please, please let me know. And also, word of mouth, what you waiting on? Do not watch my videos and not subscribe. I want you to subscribe to my channel. Like, subscribe, like, what you waiting on? Baby, what are you waiting on? Like, subscribe to my channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And share with your friends and family and so on, and tell them to do the same thing. I appreciate you for watching this video. I hope you guys loved it and everything. Hope you guys understood how I explained it, even though I'm talking too fast.